In this video, I'll be showing you how to set out of office in New Outlook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is go ahead and type in Outlook and just go ahead and open up the application. Now, on the top right, go ahead and click on the settings icon right there. And then you're going to see automatic replies as one of the options. Now, this is going to be your out of office area. So what you want to do is turn on automatic replies, and then you can send replies only during a time period. So if you're out of office, let's say for a week, let me just do 1 week right now. So I can do like 16th to 23rd. From the start time and end time, I can choose. I can block my calendar for this period so that I don't get into any meetings. And I can decline and cancel meetings as well, and also decline any new invitations. Now you could just say something like I'm out of office, and then all you got to do is click save once you're done with it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.